I really thought this video was gonna be like big boom, big boom. Bro, this video, I had a great idea. I was like, I gotta go buy a microwave and put dumb stuff in it. For example, put a cigarette in it. Another example, we're gonna put a lens in it. And we're gonna see what a microwave does. We have chips that we're gonna put inside microwave. We have Coke that we're gonna put up inside the microwave. We have M&M's. We have salt, not any salt, special salt. We have sugar, lotion. You already know, Red Bull, the Bull Energy. We have soap, my favorite. Batteries, bro, batteries. Just imagine what's gonna happen when you put batteries in the thing. You have Vaseline. Oh my God, bro. This video, great idea. I don't know what he calls this, the cleaning thing, you know? You clean stuff, but it's all metal. Toothpaste. You got toothpaste. All this stuff is gonna go out of the balloon, bro. Out of the balloon. It's gonna go one way. We're gonna go up or we're gonna go down. Let's see how this goes. Make sure you like, subscribe, and let's get in the video, bro. Let's get it. Let's change up. Let's go to my studio. You know my studio, my garage studio. Let's go there, bro. Let's go. Let's start with the cigarette. A cigarette. Let's see how it goes. I'm kind of scared, bro. I don't see anything happening. What is this? Nothing, bro. It didn't catch fire on it. Let's put some Heezys. I want to put my Heezys in. Let's see what does it do to my Heezys. Feel like, what do you guys think will happen, bro? No, don't cook my Heezys. Damn, bro, my Heezys got cooked. Honestly, nothing happened to my Heezys. Yeah! Hey, Kanye, bro, you made the best Heezys. Hello. They smell good now. Let's do some M&M's. What do you guys think will happen to M&M's? I'm thinking. Bro, is this microwave broken? Or I need to put this shit in to make it cook? I'm smelling the M&M's getting cooked. Are you guys smelling the M&M's getting cooked? Should we open it? What do you guys think? Write down in the comments, what do you think? Should we stop? Stop. Oh, god damn, nothing happened to the M&M. What are these? You know what I feel like? I feel like I gotta put the plate back in. Let's put all the chocolate together, bro. All the chocolate. You got Kit Kat. This. Whatever this is, sour patches. Stop. Let's go 1 minute. Let's see what happens. Hey, ignore my background because I'm broke. I don't want to show my broke stuff, so I put a green screen on. Oh, we're seeing something. What do you guys think will happen? No, you look at the sour cream, bro. Sour. Look at this. Oh, hey, bro. Let's cook it for 2 more minutes. Let's see what happens with 3 more minutes. 3 minutes start. Let's see what happens. Bro, sour cream is jello, bro. You see that I only see it, bro. Look at this. Jeez, bro. Let's put some chips. Let's cook the chips with it. I feel like this can be dangerous right now. Right now, I feel like I gotta back up. Oh my goodness. Wait. Let me put the cigarette. Maybe the carbon. Oh shh. Smell like shh. Let's put the cigarette in. Maybe it will catch fire with it. Then we will have a hole. My house will get in fire and my mom will kick me out the house because my studio will be burned out, my garage. This is broke people energy. What is it called? Broke people energy. I wish you guys can smell it, bro. I feel like I'm in a cookout right now. Wait. You guys want to examine the chips? Let's examine the chips. Should I eat this? How much money you guys gonna give me if I eat this? Delicious. We need to put some Coke in it. Oh my goodness. Okay, we gotta add on the recipe. We gotta put some salt. Oh shit. We gotta put some salt in it to add on the recipe. What? So we add. You always need salt in your recipe. Now we have salt in it too. Maybe we should take the plastic out. Maybe it needs the boost of its life. What do you guys think? We should put Red Bull in it? Let's put Red Bull in it. Maybe it needs the power. No, you gotta cook. Oh shit. Bro, nothing is happening to the Coke and Red Bull, huh? Strong. Nothing, man, nothing. What is this? Bullshit. We gotta put our safety vest and safety glasses. Okay. Nothing happened to our Coke. Coke is beautiful. Red Bull, beautiful. But in here is not looking good. In here we have a lot of damage. Look at the damage. Let me go clean this shirt because this shirt is very bad. Eating Sour Patches and chocolate in my life again, bro. Sip for Red Bull and Coke by itself for a second and see what happens. What do you guys think? Bro, what is this? Why nothing is happening to the Coke? Should we open it? Should I drink it? Shit, man, it still tastes like Coke. Nothing happened to goddamn Coke. Let's see what happened to Red Bull. Nothing happened to the Red Bull. Let's do some gums. Whole packet of gum. And let's see what happens. Whole packet of gum. Gum. Oh, you guys see it? The sparks. Oh. Should we eat this gum? Now let's do a soap. A soap. Lux soap. You take a shower with this. Nothing good is happening right now. It's pissing me off. Oh, the soap is getting melted, huh? Oh shit. Should we take the soap out with our magical hands? No. Focus. To gel, bro, gel. We got gel now, gel. Let's see what happens when you clear 2 minutes. Let's see what we'll do to our gel. Let's see what happens. Bro, we got white. See, that's the stuff you put in your hair, my friend. A toothpaste. What do you guys think will happen to the toothpaste? Okay, let's see. Oh shit. You see it? The toothpaste became toothpaste. What if we blow shit up? Clear? No. Clear. Let's do 1 minute. What do you guys think will happen to this? Write down in comments. Right now it's disappointing me. Maybe it's a sign to clean this shit up. Some batteries, lithium batteries. Oh, you guys saw that? Oh shit. Fire! Oh, fire! Look at the battery, fire! It's a giant slab. See, you cool it down, the bull, you cool it down. My beloved friend, you are with the, God bless you now. Safety glasses first. Okay, this shit is not doing anything. If you put 1 pound of sugar in the thing, Let's run it up. Hopefully the sugar, I feel like we gotta cook the sugar for 4 minutes at least. Should we examine the sugar, or you guys know nothing happened to the fucking sugar? You know what, I got an idea. We're gonna put a bulb in now. Because sugar didn't do shit. This will be dangerous, I feel like. Okay, nothing happening to the light. We got Logan Paul is prime, bro, prime. Let's see what will happen to prime. Anything will happen to prime? Is this one with foil? Let's see how this one goes. This can be really dangerous. Oh shit. Let me back up. Nothing good comes out from this. Examine time. Nothing happened to it. I really thought this video was gonna be like out of the blue. It'd be like big boom, big boom. I wanted a better result. Why? Why? Make sure you like, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do. You gotta do whatever you gotta do. Like, subscribe. Catch you guys with another video.